Hello, my name is Jade Edmondson, and I am a second grade teacher in the Fort Leavenworth School District here in the Kansas City area. And I am almost finished with the reading specialist degree here at Fort Hays. And I would like to take away from this class. I guess I've been lucky enough in my role as a classroom teacher to be in a district that has a lot of giant prepackaged curriculums. And not that we don't tweak things and change assessments here and there, but really haven't had to design entire units from scratch in my current role. I remember doing that in school, but I really haven't had to do that in practice. So I think this class will be helpful if I ever change schools or start working as a reading specialist in a new format and am required to do things at that level. I think this class will be really helpful. And even if I stay a classroom teacher, I think just understanding how that works will help me be able to even better evaluate the curriculum resources that we already have. I look forward to seeing the rest of your guys' videos.